Getting rich is not lottery winnings. Getting rich is a mental challenge. It's a way of thinking and using your resources, specifically your brain. The more you work your brain, the more money comes to you. Your brain is a lot more. Do you have an idea to invent? Maybe you want to start a business. My favorite saying, how do I get the things I want for free? Now that's a challenge for my brain. Let me suggest 5 key actions to get you started on becoming rich and wealthy. Firstly, go back to the drawing board. Stop what you're doing right now and plan for financial growth. As they say, if you keep doing what you're doing, you'll get the same results. Set up a time of day to think about improving your wealth creation strategy. Secondly, learn the art and science of wealth creation. Upgrade your financial intelligence through reading, networking, and attending courses. Find a mentor or a coach. Reach out to those who have achieved financial success and give them a good reason to help you. There'll always be people who are willing to share their financial expertise with you. Thirdly, build a personal brand that earns confidence, trust, affection, and loyalty. Be known as somebody who stands for integrity and achieve win-win relationships. Fourthly, develop a money-making skill set. Develop skills that can help you find and capitalize in wealth-creating opportunities. And lastly, explore new ideas regularly. There are always opportunities to create wealth. Keep your eyes and ears open. Be found in places, online or in physical meetings that can update you with financial possibilities. Imagine your brain as a personal trainer for your finances. If you train it right, it can help you bench press those big financial goals, dodge debt like a pro, and sprint towards success with the precision of a well-oiled money machine. It sounds fancy, but honestly, with a little focus and a sprinkle of discipline, you can train your brain to become the ultimate financial coach. Sure, you might not get abs from saving money, but you'll definitely start seeing those wealth muscles flexing. So, yes, it's totally possible to set yourself up for financial success. Just treat your brain like the powerhouse it's meant to be, and watch the magic happen.